of sand. Yeah, but at least it has water. I'm fixing my pond so that my pond doesn't release water. Dig more, dig more. Oh no, the water! Yeah. You got this. To dig faster, you just need to add water to it. Bro!
Nawawala lang yung tubig na pinagkaanan nila eh.
Oo. Kasi sinisisip na. Yan ang miras na karera. Yung gano'ng karera.
Love you, Mom Pretty. Love you, all that.
Love you so my love.
Ha?
Tapos sinalin yun, palo ko.
Wala pa na waring mo.
Lalo lang peraso dito. Kabigay tayo niya.
Hmm.